your survival company. And with fall approaching, I thought it would be a good time to go ahead and discuss a new tool I got for canning and preserving food at home. This is the Daika, I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's a Daika, and basically this is a manual jar sealer. So basically you have wide mouth mason jars or the non-wide mouth ones. You don't have to actually put these into like a water bath or a pressure canner in order to seal things in here. This is really nice when you have, like, as I do here, I think this is full of some dehydrated apples and bananas. It will make them last a whole lot longer if you store them in a mason jar and pump the air out. Now what comes bundled in this, you get your manual hand pump. You'll get the adapter for standard jars and wide mouth jars. You get a hose so that if you have a vacuum sealer, such as like a Ziploc or anything like that, a lot of the vacuum sealers actually have a port where you can plug this in. In that case, you would just plug this into the vacuum sealer, and then the other end, you actually can just plug it into the hole right here in the top of the adapter piece. And then it also just comes with a couple of standard canning lids. So I've already vacuum sealed this actually months ago, and you can hear they're still nice and crispy in here. Let me go ahead and pop the seal on this real quick, and hopefully you'll be able to hear it. Yeah, that had a real nice seal on it. And the thing I like about this, you're not putting into like a water bath or a pressure canner. So the gasket that goes around this lid, you can reuse these. It, as far as I can tell, it really isn't even indenting too much into the gasket or anything. So I wouldn't be opposed to reuse this. Now I wouldn't use it on anything like that could get botulism, but you know, like dehydrated foods, jerkies, things like that. Yeah, I would reuse the lids for this. And let me pull out one of these apples here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's still got a real nice snap to it. Yeah, those are still good. This is really good. So basically what you do here, this is a wide mouth jar. So you'll get the wide mouth attachment. Place your lid on the jar, and then just push that right down. You'll then take your pump, and usually within 10 to 15 pumps, this thing will be sealed. So you put the suction cup right over the hole, and pump it about 10-15 times. It'll get harder to pull as the air gets sucked out. So usually if you can't, you know, if it's getting kind of hard to pull, you're good to go. All right, that's getting really hard to pull now. That was actually 30 right there. You can hear that, hopefully you could hear that. It made a kind of a sucking sound when I pulled it off. Now you just pop the lid off, or I'm sorry, the adapter. As you can see, your little button thing in the center is pushed down, and it's sealed. I'll go ahead and just pop it real quick so you can, you know, see that it's sealed and it proves it. But here you go. Ready? There you go. So this is a very nice, inexpensive item to purchase. I believe it's about $18 on Amazon. I can leave the link down in the description. But yeah, this thing, it does great, and it's inexpensive. So if you like this video, go ahead and check out our website at Pioneer Survival Company. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Pioneer Survival Company. We also teach online classes. Those are listed on our website. And we actually have a canning class available. So check that out on the online classes portion at pioneersurvivalcompany.com. Thanks for watching.